In this video, we're going to just join a traditional here, but you can tell that there's a space that's been created and that's natural within the project. So how do you get rid of that? In video number 3, this is my favorite way to do it. It's that I'm going to chain 2 and I'm going to say, this is not a stitch, Mikey. This is just a builder. So then whatever the instructions are below into the first stitch, you're just going to double crochet. Okay, so you will just double crochet as normal. So in my case, it'll be 2 double crochet into the first, and then 1 into the next. And so it's going to appear from this point of view that you have 3 stitches, but just ignore this chain 2 right here, 1 and 2, and just use the tops of the stitches. And I'm going to show you what it looks like when you come back around. Okay, and so I'm putting 2 into this one, and then there's 1 into the last. I'm just keeping the stitch count. So when you join it, you want to join it to the top of the first double crochet. Just ignore this chain 2. So just come right onto the top, and you do a traditional slip stitch, and you can see that that pretty much hides that. So this chain 2 that was there is filling in that space that normally would be left over, just like there. Okay, so it's a great way to do it, and I will do most of my stuff this way. But in the next technique, in video number 4, I'm going to show you what's going to happen when you do a 2 together join at the end.